nice and moist, right? So it's really, you have to nail that exact, temperature to get perfect doneness. With barbecue cuts, it's totally different. And it's an easy thing to remember is that with lean meats, overcooked is tough and dry. With barbecue, overcooked is mushy and maybe dry, but if undercooked is tough and dry. And so that's where people get stumped a lot of times. And they can't get their brisket right. It's usually because they didn't cook it long enough. Same with ribs. They can't get their ribs right. They're dry and tough, and they keep thinking that they overcooked them, but they didn't. They didn't cook them long enough. So with barbecue, including pork butts, there's no magic temperature. It's not there, even though you'll see it on YouTube. I guarantee it. You're gonna see people 198, 205. I take my briskets to 205. Oh no, I'm 187. There is no exact temperature that tells you when it's done. So I'll keep that in mind because it's probably the most important part of cooking good barbecue is it's done when it's done. It's done when it's tender. When it gives up is what we call it, right? So, and the longer that you cook, the longer that you're cooking the meat, the lower the temperature is going to be that it's finished at because it's had more time for the collagen to break down. When I wrap is usually around 160, 165 or something like that. But the main thing is I have all the flavor that I want on that meat. I've got smoke on it. All the spices have caramelized and turned into a crust, right? By all means, you can use the butcher paper. I like the foil because it holds all the juices. And if you're cooking like a brisket, you really want to save that au jus if you can, and then strain the fat off of it, and then put that back on the meat afterwards. I guess that's it. I appreciate you coming. Travel safe. Watch out for losers out there on the road. Thanks, y'all. It's beer 30.